Now suppose we want to start making a web page in which we are giving the background color as red and the text color as white. With this, today we are giving left margin is equals to 50, and the same way top margin is equals to 50, so that little space can be left at the top and at the left side. Now we'll start with h1 tag. We'll give some heading like we have given, and this h1 will display the heading in the biggest size. So we will be using, suppose we have given here success, and this will be ending by /h1. To make it in center, we can use center tag before h1 and after h1. So center tag will make it in center /center like this. Now in the next line we can give the image. For inserting an image, we used to give img src is equals to the particular file name which we want to have inserted in our web page. Now we will be selecting that file by checking the file name on our screen on our desktop, like this is there by the name stars. So this file will copy down by Ctrl C and will paste in the folder which we are using for making web pages, and like this it is saved. Now we'll go to our web page, our website's page creation, and we'll give here the file name as stars.jpg because it is a file which is having the image, so we are giving the extension jpg. Now in the next line we can give some more text, and if we want to make this image also centralized, so we can give here center tag and at the end also /tag /center. So this way the image which we have taken will be centralized. Now we will be giving here /body to complete our coding /HTML. Like this our coding will be completed, and we can save this file by, suppose we have given image.html, and we will be saving in the same folder HTML web pages, so that easily we can get the image also. So when we'll save it, it will be saved in our folder and by the name image. Now we can see here this is our file image. When we'll double click on it, we can get the web pages on our screen. It will take little time in processing, but we will be getting, it is just on the way and it will be coming to you. Now see here, this is the picture which we have inserted and it is there in front of us. Suppose it is very big, we want to make it little smaller. So in our coding, we'll go to our coding and we can add certain attributes to make its size little smaller. That is, height equals to 50% and width also 50%. So this way its size also will be reduced. Here we can save the changes which we have made, and we will go to the same web page in Internet Explorer, that is, here it is Edge. So we can refresh it and can see the change of this pic. It is centralized and coming very nicely written. The heading in center is success and the image also is in center. Thank you.